southwestern Shelby County, western Auglaize County, northeastern Mercer County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Salina, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations of impact include Salina, Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, New Bremen, Munster, New Knoxville, Moulton, London, Buckland, Kettlersville, Kossuth, Lake Loramie State Park, Neptune, State Route 116 at State Route 197 and Bulkhead. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 109 and 113.